Welcome to Asharfa English.
Can we see the menu?
Sure, sir. Here it is.
Tell me about your starters.
We have soup and fries.
How is the tomato soup?
It's creamy and very tasty.
What sauce comes with fries?
We serve ketchup and mayo.
Is chicken soup available today?
Yes, sir. It's fresh today.
Are the fries crispy here?
Always cooked until golden brown.
What's in your mixed salad?
Lettuce, tomato, onion, and dressing.
How large are the portions?
They're good enough for sharing.
What drinks do you serve?
Juices, sodas, and tea are available.
Are the juices freshly made?
Yes, freshly squeezed each day.
Do you have fresh orange juice?
Yes, fresh orange juice is available too.
Is lemonade available today?
Yes, lemonade is our specialty.
We will take 3 orange juices.
And 1 lemonade for you?
Yes, 1 lemonade for me.
What are today's special dishes?
We have pasta and steak.
Do you serve spicy food?
Yes, sir, we certainly do.
What do you recommend here?
I suggest trying our steak.
Is your steak well seasoned?
Yes, sir, very well seasoned.
Do you grill or fry?
We grill steak over flame.
Do you have any seafood?
Yes, ma'am, we have shrimp.
Is the shrimp spicy cooked?
It's mildly spiced with herbs.
What comes with the shrimp?
Rice and buttered vegetables, ma'am.
Do you have cheesy pizza?
Yes, we have cheese pizza.
Is it soft and cheesy?
Yes, very soft and cheesy.
I want extra cheese, please.
Sure, extra cheese is added.
Bring tomato soup to start.
Okay, sir, 1 tomato soup.
Also, fries and mixed salad.
Yes, sir, 1 of each.
Do you serve burgers here?
Yes, many kinds available.
I want a chicken burger.
Grilled or crispy chicken, buddy?
I will take the crispy one.
1 crispy chicken burger noted.
I will take the grilled shrimp.
1 grilled shrimp, very good.
1 cheesy pizza for me.
1 cheesy pizza noted.
I will try your grilled steak.
Excellent choice, sir, grilled steak.
Please bring water for all.
Water for 4, coming right away. Still or sparkling water, sir?
Still water will be fine.
Right away, I'll get it.
And some napkins too, please.
Yes, sir, napkins on table. I will bring your starters now.
Thank you. We will wait here.
Here are your fresh juices.
They look very refreshing indeed.
Orange juice tastes amazing.
Freshly squeezed just minutes ago.
The lemonade is so refreshing.
That's what we love to hear. Here's your soup and fries.
Nice. Everything looks hot and fresh.
Salad is also here, sir.
Great. Thank you very much.
Soup has such a tempting smell.
Yes, let's try it now.
These fries taste so good. I love the crispy fries.
Salad is fresh and crunchy.
Yes, very nice with dressing.
Shall I bring the mains?
Yes, please bring them now.
Here's shrimp, pizza, and burger.
Thank you for the service.
Here's your grilled steak, sir.
Looks perfect, thank you.
This pizza is so cheesy. My burger tastes really good.
Shrimp is cooked just right.
This steak is very tender. We are enjoying the food.
I am happy you like it.
Can I get more napkins?
Yes, bringing napkins right away.
Can I get more ketchup?
Certainly, sir. Here you go.
The vegetables are very fresh.
Yes, everything is nicely made.
Thank you for great food.
You're welcome. Happy to help.
May I see dessert options?
Here's our dessert menu. Now,
Do you have ice cream?
yes, 3 flavors available today.
We will take 2 vanilla scoops.
Coming right up with spoons. Here are your ice creams.
They look creamy and delicious.
Could we have the bill?
Yes, sir. One moment, please. Here is your final bill.
Do you take card payment?
Yes, sir. Card is accepted.
I will pay by my card. Please enter the amount now.
All right, sir. Done and confirmed. Here is the signed receipt.
Can I get a box, please?
For your remaining pizza slices?
Yes, please to take home.
I will pack it immediately, then. Here's your takeaway box now.
Thank you for packing it. Do you have outdoor seating?
Yes, in our garden area.
We enjoyed the food today.
Thanks for your kind words.
We'll visit again very soon.
Looking forward to it, sir.
Okay, kids, let's go now.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.